It begins in silence. Not the silence of peace, but the silence of expectation. A flock waits. Hundreds, even thousands of day-old chicks huddled in fragile boxes. The world outside moves on, unaware that the fate of these lives rests on decisions made in the next few hours. The brooder is a stage where survival and death meet. The day I signed that bank loan, my hands did not shake. By morning, 1,000 day-old chicks would arrive at my gate. 1,000 fragile lives. 1,000 chances to get it right. I told myself I was prepared. I had built the brooder, measured the temperature, read every manual I could find. But no book tells you what it feels like when numbers start dropping. That first week tested everything I thought I knew about farming. This is not a story about perfect success. This is a story about survival, about turning mistakes into mastery. This is Diary of a Farmer, The Brooder, Survival of the Flock.